So the other day I did say I'd go through my process of creating potentially a chart, but I ended up jumping straight into it last night before bed. And this is basically what I ended up with, is a web component, which has a header using my components. And then it talks to the TradingView chart, which is lightweight chart plugin. And that brings a lot of functionality in terms of being able to zoom in and out. And then it can talk to my components. And also we themed it with my design tokens. So if we go through the different themes that I have within my storefront, you can see how the chart swaps out its theme. So that works pretty well. There's a little bit of a bug here, which I'll fix up. But yeah, it's quite exciting for the first pass. My favorite is paperclip. Yeah, it works really nice. But we'll go back to the default. Yeah, so there's a few options. The blue here needs to be adjusted for the dark mode. I need to double check which tokens it's talking to, and we can adjust it from there, whether we add a component specific token or if it's using the base level. We can craft it. While I was out for coffee, well, on a walk, I actually created these 3 other charts using Codex remote. And again, they're using the TradingView plugin, so we get a lot of free functionality from that, which is really good. In terms of what my design system brings, it's the typography, the different badges, and these are areas that I'll look to clean up after the fact that I've been on my walk and now I'm home to craft these individual charts a little bit further. And they are individual charts, so they're wrapped as a web component for reuse. So it's really exciting that you can do this on a walk and kind of nut out the basics and then craft it. Comparison chart, so it's reusing my components, and then we are integrating with lightweight chart to take advantage of their features. Yeah, it's really nice. And yeah, these areas can be cleaned up. Yeah, nice. Very good. That's exactly what I wanted. So yeah, I'll play around with the hierarchy of the typography. And then I'll actually probably stub out a composition page. So we've got a few pages down here that we can stub out. That might be my next prompt. Let's see what happens. Shout out Codex. We had a complimentary usage refresh. I forgot what they call it. A few things that need to be improved, but yeah, I think that's a good start. Nice, and that's there's the link that I added. I will improve the spacing. A few things are off, but yeah, just like that. Yeah, so I'm going to have some fun with this, just cleaning up the composition output. And then I'll also be looking at the individual chart components that we've created while I was out for a walk getting a coffee. And yeah, then that will ripple through to the final output as well. And yeah, that's kind of what my workflow has been like recently. It leverages my knowledge base to learn how to use the components. It uses my components. It doesn't add, sometimes it adds classes, And then sometimes I need to remind it that we don't need to do that. Let's use my system, my layout components. But once it's in a good state, it tends not to use or recreate class names or anything like that. And yeah, prompting screens or experiences, rather effortless when you have a robust system. And when you do prompt different experiences, you do see where maybe the components lack features. So in terms of the tab component that was on the financial chart, when these items were dynamically inserted, it lost its shape, its width a little bit. So I had to work with AI to just quickly fix up those issues within the web component itself, so it would support more of a dynamic injection of the UI. And yeah, what the outcome is a composable financial chart that I can then tweak. So I want to fix up the hierarchy here and here, and potentially look at maybe using the ghost variant of the tabs, but I actually don't mind this version. What we might do is knock back the background color, and that might be a special case when it's inserted within a card, because the tab background is working with the surface color, and the card actually uses surface elevated 100. So it might make sense to make the background color dynamic when it sits inside certain components like a card or other components that use surface. So maybe draw, dialogue, they have a different surface to the main surface token. So yeah, it's great to compose the components together and you really see where everything needs improvement as you use the system. So that's what I'll be doing for the rest of the day.